people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal. I'm a certified personal trainer, a fitness nutrition specialist, and I am founder of The Authentic Lifestyle, a movement designed to help you find whatever workout routine or nutrition plan that works best for you that you can sustain for the rest of your life. In this video, I'm going to talk about sets and reps. The best sets and the best reps to do in the gym or even at home that will best fit your lifestyle and help you to achieve your goals and stay at your goals. If you like this video, please be sure to like this video. Help me grow my channel. Subscribe, comment below, whatever it takes. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, definition. Sets are the amount of times you do a specific exercise. Reps are the amount of time you do that movement within a set. So let's use squats for example. You walk into the gym, you're going to do 3 sets of say 10 squats, 10 reps of squats. So the exercise, the squat, you're doing it 3 times total. In each of those 3 times, you're doing 10 reps. So 30 reps total. How do we decide the amount of sets and reps we perform? For sets, it's recommended to do about 3 to 5 sets of a specific workout. At the beginning of your workout, I recommend to do 5. So like your compound movements, like your squats, your deadlifts, your lunges, your lat pull down, where you're using multiple muscle group. I recommend to do 5. Usually the first couple will be a warm-up set where it's a lighter weight, so it's a higher rep, and then as you go down towards your last sets, then you go higher in weights and you do less reps. Now reps all depends on your goal. There are 3 goals you might have when you walk into the gym. You might want to build strength, so you might want to get really strong. You might want to tone and build muscle, look nice in those summer bikini, or you might want to build endurance so you can stay very long in a marathon. If your goal is to be really strong, you ever see those guys or girls in the gym that they're big, they have a lot of body fat on them, but they can lift like a building? That's because they focus on their personal rep. Their focus is on how heavy can they lift. In that case, they lift about 3 to 5 reps of every set. So they're maxing out. They're trying to figure out how heavy, what's the heaviest can I do? That is why they only do about 3 to 5. If your goal, however, is to be toned and build muscle and have those nice Michelle Obama arms, it is recommended to do about 7 to 12 reps. So for every set that you're doing, stay between 7 to 12 reps. If you're starting out on your first set, usually the first set should be lighter to get your muscles warm up, to get your mind right, to get your body ready to get into it. I'll start off with 12. As I increase the weight, you lower the reps. So you go from 12 to 10 to 8 to 6 to whatever, depending on how many sets you are doing. Lastly, if your goal is to run a marathon, build endurance, build up some stamina, it is recommended to do 15 plus. Look at the difference between, say, a long distance runner and a sprinter. Notice how the sprinter has more muscle mass than the long distance runner, because the long distance runner focuses more on endurance training. So when they're in the gym, they're going for 15 plus, sometimes 25, sometimes 50 reps. As opposed to somebody who's trying to build muscle mass, like a sprinter for example, they're focusing on less reps and heavier weight. The higher you go in your reps, the lower your weight will be. But in order to build muscle and tone up, you're going to have to go high with your weight. That is why 7 to 12 reps is recommended if that is your goal. Now that you know what's the difference between sets and reps and how many sets and reps you should do to get your goals are a little bit closer to you. If you have any questions, comment them below. I hope this video was clear and helpful to somebody. To refresh, if your goal is to build strength, if your main focus is just to say, you know what, eventually one day I want to pick up my car, so let me go in the gym and build my strength, stay between 3 and 5 reps and just maximize your weights. When you're at the end of that weightlifting, at the end of that set, you're supposed to be like dang. That's why they use the chalk and everything. If your goal is to tone up, build a muscle, look nice, have some abs, have some line in your arms, then stay between 7 and 12 reps. That way you can play around with the weight. You can go heavy, but heavy enough where you can go up to 12 reps where you're not like shaking or like, you know, dying. If your goal is to build stamina and to have endurance and to run a very long marathon, or stay in the gym and can do like, oh, look, I can do 50 squats, then do 15 plus reps whenever you're working out. Again, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to grow my channel, and until next time, stay authentic and do you for you.